everybody, welcome to this week's edition of Media Mondays, and I've had a lot of people over the last few weeks ask me how I've been making split posts for Instagram, so here's this quick tutorial on how to do it. So I like to get my picture. I like to post a 1:1 format, so if you crop it to 2:1 if that's what you like, position your picture just right like that, and then we're going to go over to the left hand side of the screen, click edit in Photoshop, and then we'll look for the slice tool. You can just see it on the left. We right click the slice tool, and it'll give you a handy little guide. It slices the picture into two. You can see 1 and 2 at the top of the screen. We're going to go to export, save for web. It comes up with, I usually click JPEG, maximum quality, 100 quality, and then image size. You can change the image size down at the bottom as well if you like, but I'll just leave it as it is. Press save. Call it whatever you like, save it to your desktop. Photoshop will automatically create a folder there with images in, and it split that image, the 2:1 image, into 2 halves. So then when we go, there you can see one half, there's the other half. There we go. And it looks very strange, and it looks like there will be a line down the middle. But we go onto Instagram, go to upload, press the little square box, and click image 1 and image 2 on the 2 sections. And it shows there down the center that there's actual divide there down the middle. So you'll see on Instagram the line is completely disappeared. So that's how you do it, guys. Come back next Monday for more tips.